Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about the mail match. So it's a Microsoft Word feature that allows you to send like a batch of documents, which are personalized to several recipients. So maybe like you are sending the same document to 10 people, but you want the addresses to be different. So you have to use this feature of mail match. So we are going to use this document. Let me say it is going maybe to Gulu University. So here we're going to put maybe the address. We can put it in the box. Let me say address. Uh, you can also put the name. Let me say dear the name. So down here, let me say there are people who contributed maybe to do all this research. So let me see the research was carried out with efforts from different individuals maybe. So put like you contributed. So let me put shillings again. So we are going to put this word contributed in the bracket. So remember we had already created our data source from the Microsoft Excel so that we can just extract it and take it. So this is our data source which we are going to use in mail merging. So we had already created it before to make things simpler and easier. So we go back, then we have to choose. We look for a feature mailings. Wait, we click. So when you click at mailings, you'll see these features and the mailing. So we are going to select at start mail. We click at this icon. You see, like when you take the cursor to the icon, it gives you information. So it says create one document and send it to multiple people. So that is specifically the importance of mail merging. So we try to click. Then these are the types of data you can actually create. We have letters, emails, envelopes, but for our case, we are going to use letters. So we select letters. So on your right side, near to the start mail match, you will see select recipients. So you can see those three options, but For us, we had created, let me say, a data source previously. So it's what you're going to use. But if you did not create, we can use this option where you have to type again. But for us, we have already an existing data. So we are going to choose where we stored our data. So you have to remember actually where you had stored your data previously. So ours was on desktop, then we open it. Yeah, normally the Excel has number of sheets, so you have to choose the sheets actually, the specific sheet you used. So let us choose one and then we say okay. So after that, uh, we are going to insert our merge field. Remember, we place these ones in brackets such that it could be easier now to insert the merge fields. So we click on the merge field, the name. So actually, you first come and select here is where the name is going. You go on the merge, then you click on the name. So you will see how it has selected. Here is where the name is going. So we highlight the address and then we put it also under merge field. That is the address. And then we are remaining with the contribution is here. We also put it under merge field contribution. So we are done with that. So another thing is we are going on preview result. It enables you to see what actually have you done. So it shows you that information of what you have done. So we are going to click on preview. So you see. So where our merge fields are, so it has got that data from the data source actually, and then replace our merge fields with the specific rows and column. So it has gotten information from our data source and then it organized it as how we wanted it. Yeah, when we go up here, it actually helps us to review those new pages it has created. As you see, those names are four, that actually says there are four documents. So when you come here and scroll down or up, actually there are four names, but now that one will come after when you have finished the merge. So we go on the finish merge icon, we click. So here it enables you to edit each individual document. So print, if you can print, yeah, that's well and good. So you can send mail, merges, and other things. So we are going to choose edit individual. So the merge records we have all. That means you have to select all. And then current record, it says that one which is on the monitor currently. But for us, we shall choose all since we need all. So when you click, you'll see all the four documents, different name with different contribution, but the information in a document is actually the same, since you're sending to different people but the same information with their respective contributor and with different let me say addresses. So that is it. So easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So we can decide to save, maybe save as we choose the browser. Where are we going to save it? So we have to save it in a different name from the other one. Remember, I have the data source, we have the original document. So we are going to create another one which actually consists of many of them. So we save, and that is our document. That is the beauty of mail merging. So we are done with mail merging. So for any other concerns, please link up with that in our comment section. So don't forget to subscribe, to like. Please stay tuned for other videos. Thank you.